Hello everyone, welcome to the Real Deal Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Jamaican jerk chicken in the oven. So this is 5.5 pounds of chicken parts. So what I'm going to do is wash the chicken and season it up from overnight. That's right, I'm going to wash the chicken and season it up from overnight. So first, you want to clean off all these fats and skin off the chicken. All these unhealthy stuff. Okay, so we're going to do Jamaican jerk chicken in the oven. So let me clean this chicken up. For those of you who like your chicken with the skin on, you can leave it on. But I don't like it like this, so I'm going to clean it off. Get all this skin off. Hello guys, so now the chicken is fully cleaned. Look at this chicken, nice and clean. So you know what? I'm going to wash it with the apple cider vinegar in cold water. Let it sit in that vinegar water for at least 2 to 3 minutes. First you rinse it off. So this is cold water. Rinsing the chicken under cold water. Then I'm going to pour some apple cider vinegar in there. Like I said, if you don't have any apple cider vinegar, guys, you can squeeze some lemon juice in the water. Cut a lemon, squeeze the juice in there, or whatever lemon juice you have. You can wash your meat with lemon. Okay. So after finish cleaning this chicken, washing it off, we're gonna season it. Season this chicken up. Let it marinate overnight. So I'm gonna be jerking this chicken in the oven. For those of you who live in a cold country and it's not summer all the time where you can grill outside, just so you know, you don't have to miss out on your Jamaican jerk chicken. You can do it in the house, in your oven. So I just want to show you guys how to jerk chicken in the oven. Okay guys, so now the chicken is fully cleaned. Look at that chicken, how nice and clean it is. So I'm going to get ready to season it. So this is all the seasonings that I'm going to be using. The Jamaican jerk, they have the mild, but I love it hot, so I got the hot one. Jamaican jerk seasoning. Pimento seed, all spice. Remember these seeds, no Jamaican kitchen without this seed. All purpose. You get these things from the Caribbean section, the Jamaican section in your grocery store. Jerk seasoning, sage, 5 Chinese spices. Look at that. Organic 24 spicy seasoning. Okay. A little bit of salt, iodized salt, good for your thyroid. Olive oil. You want to make sure you're seasoning your meat. It is moist. If not, you can pour some oil over it. So now we're going to get ready to season this chicken up. If too much water is on the chicken, you can pour some out. don't want too much water in there. You just want it moist so you can rub the seasoning on. But you don't want too much water to dilute the seasoning. Jamaican jerk chicken in the oven. This is what we're making today, guys. I'm gonna marinate this chicken, put it in the fridge, let it stay there overnight, so this way you get the right flavor. If you don't have time to marinate it, you can just rub it on. Half an hour later you cook it. But it's always to get good results. I poked it with a knife, so when I pour these seasonings on there, so you go right inside the chicken. So remember to poke your chicken with a knife. Slice it up. Okay, add a little bit of salt. You can add other seasoning to it if you want.
Seasonings are a little difficult to get it out, so knock it, shake it up. Jamaican jerk seasoning. All-purpose seasoning. Guys, you want to season this chicken really, really good. You definitely want to season this chicken very nicely. Okay, the pimento seed, you put that in the oven later on when you're cooking the chicken. You don't have to add it while you season it. So this is a jerk seasoning. It's a blend of onion, scallion, pimento seed, scotch bonnet pepper, vinegar. It's a blend of everything. So you're gonna rub this jerk sauce on. And you can add a little bit of salt. You don't have to add any salt to your food. So you rub this jerk sauce on. Rub it in. Play with your chicken. Play with it. Season it. See, dig into it. Get every parts of the chicken. Rub it on. Rub it up. Remember, guys, the gloves that you used to wash the chicken, you change it. Put new gloves on. At this chicken. This is leg and thigh. Definitely want to get it in there, in every creases of the chicken. Rub it in. Look at this chicken now, nicely coming out, well seasoned. Okay. So you can always add a little bit more. Make sure you get every parts of the chicken. Jamaican jerk chicken. This is our way of seasoning our jerk chicken. Like I said, I'm gonna cook it in the oven today. You know, after this chicken marinated overnight, they're gonna cook in the oven. So now that it's finished seasoned up, I'm gonna cover it, leave it in the fridge for overnight. Look at this chicken now, nicely coming out, well seasoned. Okay. So you can always add a little bit more. Make Make sure you get every parts of the chicken. Jamaican jerk chicken. This is our way of seasoning our jerk chicken. Like I said, we're gonna cook it in the oven today. You know, after this chicken marinated overnight, we're gonna cook in the oven. So now that it's finished seasoned up, I'm gonna cover it, leave it in the fridge for overnight. And remember, this sauce is hot. They have the mild one at the store. I got this from Stop and Shop in the grocery section that said Jamaican products. Play with the chicken, play with it. This is nicely well done. Look at that. You're gonna put the cover. And welcome to day 2 of the Real Deal Kitchen of making Jamaican jerk chicken. So guys, I want to show you how to grease this pan. I'm going to be doing Jamaican jerk chicken in the oven. So I put a little oil in the pan, grease it. I mean, you can use butter, whatever you like. I use olive oil. Okay, so you want to grease it properly, make sure it doesn't stick. So this is my marinated chicken that I've been marinated for like over 1 day now in the fridge. Okay, so remember this chicken. It's been marinated for like a day in the fridge. Look at this chicken, all that jerk sauce and everything on there. So you put it here, place it in the pan. Okay. This is making Jamaican jerk chicken in the oven. Ooh, this chicken been marinated in the fridge for like a day. So this is day 2. And you're gonna put in the oven for 450 degrees. After putting the chicken in the pan, you want to pour all that jerk sauce that was in the bowl all over the chicken. Okay, you want to make sure you pour all that sauce, all that juice from the container that you store the chicken in. You marinate the chicken in this container, pour the juice over it. Then you apply your foil paper and put in the oven for 45 minutes and 450 degrees. So you're going to put a foil cover over it to keep the moist in the chicken. And then after that, after 45 minutes, you're going to remove the foil paper and let it sit in the oven for another 15 minutes to dry any juice that forms and to get it a little brown. Okay, so this is how you make Jamaican jerk chicken in the oven. So those of you guys who live in a cold country, it's not always hot outside, or you can do a grill. You can jerk your chicken in the oven. So you grease the foil pan, place the chicken in there. Look at this jerk chicken in the oven, nice and soft and tender. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna leave it in the oven for 15 minutes. Look how soft this chicken is. Leave it in there for 15 minutes and let it get browned. See right here, it's getting brown, so this is how we want it. Okay? And then all this juice gonna disappear. But the chicken stay nice and soft. Ready to go, Jamaican jerk chicken. So let this sit in the oven for another 15 minutes with no foil paper. Wow, so look at this jerk chicken. This is the finishing. After let it sit in the oven for 15 minutes without the cover. Look at it. Nice and ready to serve on the plate. Jamaican jerk chicken in the oven. Look at this jerk chicken on the plate. Look at it. Look how lovely this jerk chicken look. Look at this nicely, lovely, well done jerk chicken in the oven. Jamaican jerk chicken made in the oven. You serve it with your rice and peas. Guys, if you want to know how to make rice and peas, there's a video about rice and peas. Check it out. Wild green banana, there's a video about that. Check it out. Look at this jerk chicken. You can have it with bread. You can have it with whatever you want to have it with. You can have it by itself, guys. This jerk chicken was made in the oven. For those who live in a cold country, you cannot grill all the time. You can still make your jerk chicken inside the house, right in the oven. Go ahead and try it out. Tell me how you like it. Guys, tell me what other dish you'd like me to make. Place your comments. Let me know. I'm there. Just go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more exotic Jamaican dishes. Let me know what else you want me to make for you guys.